Just a little POV ride just to show you guys what it's like to ride a K.I.T.T replica. It's almost time to put her in storage for the winter. I'll put it to show off in my lawn, my front lawn for the Halloween. And after that, up she goes to the storage. Still need to fix my speedometer. I have to put a little thing that goes into my shift cable with two electronics wires that goes to the dash. I need to do that this winter. I need to do a couple of things, but that's what it is when you have a replica car like that. The project is never finished. There's always place to upgrade or fixing things. I need to fix my exhaust. The catalyzer is leaking, so I'm going to take that off and just put a pipe. So that needs to be fixed. Transmission is leaking a little bit from the speedometer cable. There's an O-ring over there that I need to replace. lot of speed bumps over here. And I need to fix one of my lights, pop-up lights. One is, I don't know if you can see in the trees over there to the left. One is, it's okay, it's shooting straight, but the other one is, you can see on the garage door over there, one is low and one is up. So the adjustment for the lights, the left light are all broken, so I need to fix that too. And I bought the correct fog lights. I might replace the one I have in my bumper. So yeah, a couple of things to do. Will keep me busy. Contact or background or something, because I need to shut up the dash and put it back on again for that light to be okay. See, now the light is okay, so don't know what's up with that, but I have to figure that out. So hope you like the little video I just made for you guys, and if you like it, leave a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.